If you're anything like me, then you know I love blushes. Blushes are one of my favorite things to buy, to use, to play with, to learn how to use, and play with on the eyes, the lips, and all that. So when my friend Rachel reached out to me saying that she was going to buy this blush bundle, I was like, oh girl, count me in. Let's split it. So that's what we did. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I bought, and let's play with it together as in first impressions. Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. If you're new here, my name is Brandon. I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago, and I'm going to teach you some fun things about makeup. And so today, I'm going to teach you a little bit about blush. So I'm a lover of blushes, and my friend Rachel reached out to me and said, have you heard of Skin Glass Cosmetics? They have these beautiful cream blushes. And I said, you know what? I've been wanting to try those. And she said, well, I'm going to buy 6 colors, and let's kit split it, which means that we're going to split it in half. She's going to keep half of it. I'm going to keep half of it. We're going to put it in our kits and try it out and see what we love. So I decided to do that with her, and so that's what I'm going to share with you today. So I got 6 different colors that looks just like this. These are called their rich cream blushes. They're really beautiful. They're like a velvety cream to powder finish, and I just bought 6 different colors to play with. And before I put them in my kit, I want to check them out and see what they're all about, and so I'm going to do that live and on camera with you guys. So it's going to be a first impressions, kind of a try on my hand, and I'm going to actually put one on for you guys to see live on camera. So we're going to talk a little bit about it, and I'm going to get you into some new blushes. So let's check it out. So my friend Rachel reached out and told me about these Skin Glass blushes that are super pigmented, and I just had to try them. She was in town a couple months ago, and we did a video called Red Carpet Glamour Skin, if you want to check that out down below. And she has a podcast called Lipstick Biddies that I was actually featured on last fall. And she is such an amazing makeup artist, and I thought that she would be the perfect person to split these blushes with. So these are called the Noor Face Skin Glass blushes. This color right here is called Flush, and you can see she's already scraped out and kept half of for her kit, and you can see it's a beautiful, vibrant magenta cream blush. So that one is called Flush. The next one that I'm going to show you is called Spicy. These are brand new to me, you guys. I'm literally just taking this out of the package for the first time. This is like a warm ginger kind of melon color, really beautiful. This one is called Spicy. Next color is called Rich. This one is really gorgeous as well. It is like a true pigmented red. The next one is called Sweet. This one is really beautiful as well. It is also a vibrant red, but it has a much more warmer undertones to it. You see it like that. This one is called Soft. I thought this would be perfect for my bridal kit on really fair skin tones that have a lot of freckling in their skin and want a little bit of flush to their skin, but not a lot. These go on creamy, but they do dry like a velvety powder finish. So I'm going to show you that in a second. And then this one is called Petal. Looks just like that. So Petal is a very light, almost a baby pink with a little bit of warm undertone to them. So these are really nice, very creamy, no shimmer in them, which is nice. They photograph really beautifully, which I am told. I'm actually going to try this one right here called Flush for you on camera. So let me scrape out a little bit, put it on the back of my hand. I am told that a very small amount goes a long way, and that you only need a tiny amount. So I put a little bit right here on the back of my hand. I scraped it out with a metal spatula. So I'm going to go in and just kind of press this into my brush, and you can see that a little bit does go a long way. It blends very quickly, but it also spreads really easily. So I'm going to go in and just go ahead and apply it. Yeah. This is way too much. So tiny amount is really all you need. I'm gonna go in and pop this on, and then I'm gonna blend this out. Got me looking clownish. Ooh. So I'm gonna take a foundation brush and soften this. See how beautiful that is though. Super vibrant. The color's there, exactly where I placed it. It didn't fade too much. There was a little foundation on this brush, which helped me kind of buff it out. But yeah, how beautiful. Has a really creamy, vibrant effect. You can see the color, it's there, but it's not. As you can see, I still have a ton of color on my hand, and this will be really nice because you can take a little bit of this and use it on the lip. You can also use this on the eye as an eyeshadow color, is what their website said, which I think is super cool too. Isn't that beautiful? So same color on the lip, same color on the eye. Same color on the lip, same color on the cheek. And this is the color called Flush. So let me grab that color for you so you can see just like this. It is that really beautiful, like vibrant magenta color. So beautiful. So you can see it looks more full color on my lip. And then on the cheek, it's really sheared out and really beautiful. And it started, like I said, like this, really vibrant. And with the powder style brush, I went in and then I actually softened it with the blush brush. And now I'm going to go in and actually add just a little bit more. Super beautiful. So I know it looks kind of intense on camera, but this is my first try on. Just kind of testing it out. You can see that a little bit does go a super long way. These blushes are really beautiful. I think that a lot of these will go really well on my bridal kit, and I think they will be really beautiful on a multitude of different skin tones. Like I said, you can use them on the lip, the eyes, and the cheeks, which is so fun. And yeah, I can't wait to put these in my kit and play with them and put them on people. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Have you tried Skin Glass Cosmetics or Noor Face Skin Glass? If you tried them, they have multiple different products too. I think they've launched some moisturizers, some serums and stuff as well, some other makeup products. So if you have, please leave me a comment down below of what you've tried. I'd love to know what you've tried so I can pick up some more products, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. So thank you so much for watching this Makeup Artist Monday video. Until next week, I'll see you guys soon. All right.